2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: automatic parking, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.